Imagine the irresistible aroma of cinnamon and apples filling your kitchen, creating the perfect fall ambiance. Today, I'm diving into a super simple yet incredibly delicious apple galette that will wow your taste buds and your guests. I'm Goli, and welcome to Miss Cake Kitchen. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you never miss out on more delightful recipes. Let's get started. Let's start with our flaky dough. Combine 180 grams of all-purpose flour with 113 grams of cold unsalted butter. Making sure not to let it warm up. Use your fingertips and gently mix them until the mixture becomes crumbly. You can do all of this process with food processor as well, and of course, it's gonna be easier. Then add 35 grams of icing sugar and mix again. Next, add about 4 to 6 tablespoons of ice water and mix until the dough comes together. Dump the mixture on pastry mat and form the dough. Wrap it and chill it in the fridge for about an hour. For the apple filling, peel 3 apples and thinly slice them. In a large bowl, toss them with a half a tablespoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and the juice of half a lemon. And set aside. After the dough has chilled, roll it out into a large circle on pastry mat. And believe me, using pastry mat will make your life much more easier. Are you enjoying this apple galette magic? If you are, show love by giving this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you never miss out on more delicious recipes. Place the apple filling in the center . Fold the edges of the dough over the apples, forming a beautiful galette. See how the pastry mat helps you in this step? Add a tablespoon of vanilla extract to the beaten egg and brush the edges for a golden finish. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the galette for about 45 minutes until it's golden. And there you have it, a gorgeous flaky apple galette that's sure to impress. Once your apple galette is out of the oven, the entire house will be filled with the irresistible aroma of cinnamon and apples, creating perfect fall ambiance. This galette is not only beautiful, but also deliciously crisp with the perfect balance of sweet and spiced flavors.